Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off safe mode on Samsung M35 device. Well, safe mode may limit certain functionalities or background processes to diagnose issues, which can impact the device performance. Okay, so disabling safe mode restores the device's full performance capabilities and ensure that it operates optimally without restrictions. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the activation of safe mode, I will first navigate to the control center of my device. And within the control center, I will locate and tap on the power icon to access the power options. Okay, so to enable safe mode, I will press and hold the power off option and then select the safe mode feature. Okay, this action will trigger the process of activating safe mode on my device, ensuring a secure and stable operating environment. Okay, once safe mode is successfully activated, a distinct label indicating safe mode will be displayed, signaling that the device is operating in a restricted mode where only essential system functions are active. And also, in safe mode, all third-party applications will be temporarily disabled, providing a clean and controlled environment to troubleshoot any software-related issues. Okay, so the way to disable safe mode and return the device to its normal operating mode, I will access the control center again, and I will tap on the power icon here. So from the power options, I will select the restart option to reboot the device and exit safe mode. Okay, this process will deactivate safe mode and allow all apps to resume normal operation. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off safe mode on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.